Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope everybody's fine. But if you will ask me, teacher will gonna say, I'm great. And by the way, can you tell me how's the weather? Look at the picture. How's the weather? Very good. It's cloudy. Now, teacher will gonna ask, what day is today? Very good. Today is Thursday. Now, what are the 7 days of the week? The 7 days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Once again, what day is today? Very good. It's Thursday. Okay, so now let's talk about animals and their babies. So as you can see, the animals there are giraffe, monkey, snake, panda, lion, elephant, and many more. So today I am going to show you a video of the animals and their babies.
Animals and their babies. Tiger, cub. A baby tiger is a cub. Deer, foal. A baby deer is a foal. Bear, cub. A young bear is a cub. Cat, kitten. A baby cat is a kitten. Dog, puppy. A young dog is a puppy. Penguin, chick. A baby penguin is a chick. Horse, foal. A baby horse is a foal. Cow, calf. A young cow is a calf. Sheep, lamb. A young sheep is a lamb. Elephant, calf. A baby elephant is a calf. Kangaroo, joey. A baby kangaroo is a joey. Zebra. Cub. A baby zebra is a cub. Giraffe. Calf. A young giraffe is a calf. Koala. Joey. A baby koala is a joey. Rhinoceros. Calf. A young rhino is a calf. Ostrich. Chick. A baby ostrich is a chick. Goat. Kid. A baby goat is a kid. Duck. Duckling. A baby duck is a duck.
Okay, so once again, let's talk about the animals and their babies. So I am going to show you few examples, and these are my examples. Okay, the first one is rhinoceros, and the baby is calf. Next is raccoon, and the baby is cub. We also have here goat, and the baby is kid. We have here kangaroo, and the baby is joey. Duck, duckling. Deer, fawn. Crocodile, hatchling. Okay, so those are the examples. So now I have here the name of the animals and their babies. Okay, so can you please repeat after me? Ready? Okay, let's go. Rhinoceros, raccoon, goat, kangaroo, duck, deer, crocodile, giraffe, rabbit. Okay, and their babies. We have here calf, cub, kid, joey, duckling, fawn, hatchling, calf, and kitten. Okay, so these are the animals and their babies. Okay, so I have here a short activity for you. I am going to say the name of the animal and you guess the baby. Okay? Okay, let's start. Number one, rhinoceros. Very good. Cow. Number two, raccoon. Good job. Cub. Next, number three, goat. Okay. Kid. Number 4, kangaroo. Very good. Joey. And for number 5, duck. Okay, good job. Duckling. And how about number 6, deer? Okay, fawn. Number 7, crocodile. Very good. Hatchling. And how about number 8, giraffe? Okay, calf. And number 9, rabbit. Okay, good job. It's kitten. Okay, so once again, let's have the final animals and their babies. We have here rhinoceros, raccoon, goat, kangaroo, duck, deer, crocodile, giraffe, rabbit. And the babies are calf, cub, kid, joey, duckling, fawn, hatchling, calf, kitten. Okay, very good. So everybody, good job. I hope you will able to learn the topic today. So for your activity, all you have to do is, so you are going to find the words that is inside this one and you are going to encircle. Example, the word is crocodile. So you need to find where is crocodile here. And then you are going to encircle like this. Here is the word crocodile. So you're going to encircle. Okay. Next is, so for this one, you're going to connect the animals to their babies. Example for this one is kangaroo. So we're going to find her baby, which is the Joey. So you are going to connect it with a line like this. Oh no, that's not the one. This one. Okay? Okay. And that's all for today's activity. Thank you so much and goodbye.